I remember 2 years ago in Barcelona, we were looking around, who's the 17-year-old girl winning a silver medal? Now we know you're world champion, and you celebrated like Sun Yang did.
因为拿了冠军以后，心里会有非常多的感情需要发泄，所以我觉得我可以用吼叫来把它发泄出来，因为非常的开心，同时也非常的感动，为自己而感动。
You almost beat the world record. Did you expect that?
是，本来也并没有说是以此为目标，我只是希望尽全力去游。如果游得好的话，是可以打破世界纪录。但是我对这次的成绩也非常满意。
Now Liu Xiang finished in third position. What does this mean for Chinese swimming?
这是一个状态或者一种表现，就是我们互相为对方感到骄傲和喜悦，真的很棒，就觉得对方都非常棒。